So for today's lunch on the solar cooker, some frozen fish sticks. So let them thaw a bit in the refrigerator first. And I thought that the metal skewer is so big that I would start with the little wooden one first to kind of drill through to see if I could get that through there without splitting them, and see how that works out. I do not know. And this will be the last of the solar cooker, unless I build a new one or something interesting comes along that I could put on it. But it was kind of fun to get the solar cooker out again. It's just slightly overcast today. It was definitely not as warm. And more of a breeze too than it has been the last couple of days. Okay, I think we're ready. Oh, there it goes. Give it a little twist first. Like these thin buns.
Okay.
Grab it if you want to eat one.
Just want to eat one. More fat. Seems a little fishy to me.
Yeah, it was out too long, so it's too warm. Pressurize the air. Yep. Okay. Okay, and done.